want to give you a real quick marketing lesson. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do and who you want to market to get that car count up really, really quickly. I figured I'd shoot a quick video for those of you whose car count is slowing down or has slammed into a wall and wondering what the heck you need to do to get that car count back up. Up until now, a lot of you guys have not had to market in a very, very, very long time. Now, why was that? Well, we know what was going on in the marketplace. You couldn't find new cars, couldn't find used cars, and when you did, they were very expensive. People had money to spend, but they didn't have that much money to spend on a new car, so they pretty much had to fix and maintain what they had, and that was an enormous advantage to a lot of us. And the fact that you didn't have to market to get people to come to you because they were actively looking for you. So that's why you didn't really have to do a whole lot of marketing. The only marketing you need to do is keep up with your reviews and keep up with an online presence and probably spend some money on Google AdWords. But what happens when they're no longer looking for you? See, that's what we're running into right now. Because of the economy, because of things that are going on out there, people are watching the money they're spending a little closer. Now, how do I know this? Well, I want you to prove it to yourself. Is the phone ringing every bit as much as it used to with new customers? And if the answer is no, that's not because some other auto repair shop is getting all those calls. It's because the call volume across the board has gone down and down and down because people simply aren't looking. Now, what worked in the past by maybe spending more money on Google AdWords, getting more reviews, getting a better online presence, that's not going to work as well or much anymore because there's not a lot of eyeballs and there's not people actively searching. That is inbound marketing, okay? We're just waiting for calls to come to us. Now, with what's happening right now, when people are not looking, it's now your job to do outbound marketing. Outbound marketing is when you're getting your message in front of people that are not looking for auto repair services. You want to make sure that you get your message out in front of them, remind them that you're there. You want to give them a good, strong, compelling offer to get them to make a decision to do something now instead of put it off later. You want to get them excited about doing business with you and give them a good reason to do business now instead of later. Okay, and that's going to require you to do some work. It's going to require you to spend some time. It's going to require you to spend some money to market your business again. Okay, now it's been a very long time since a lot of you guys had to do this, so let me go over the basics of what you need to do. First and foremost, you need to choose your contacts well. Who do you want to attract to your shop? Well, the people we know the most about are people that we've already done business with, okay? You have their buying habits. You know if they're a bottom feeder, if they're a good customer. If they're a bottom feeder, don't market to them. But if they're a good customer, you want to invite them back in the door. The advantage of that is you've got their phone number, their cell phone number, so you can text them. You got their phone numbers, you can call them. You've got their home address, so you can send a piece of mail. You see what I'm talking about here? Now we know who the people are, and now we can market directly to them. Like I said, it's going to take time, money, and effort to get your message in front of them, but it still beats just sitting back waiting for the phone to ring when the phone ain't ringing. Okay, it's up to you to get that to start happening again. All right, so make sure that first and foremost you start marketing to your own customers. Every one of your customers should be in your shop at least 4 times per year. Okay, you're going to see each car twice, and they've probably got 2 cars sitting in their driveway, so that's 4 visits per year. So I guarantee you there's a lot more meat on that bone, so you need to market to those people. Then and only then, after you've done all the sending them a postcard, sending them your newsletter, sending them text message, calling them on the phone, after you've done all of that, then you break outside of your customer list and start attracting the other people. But I will tell you, I'll warn you, if you haven't done it before, marketing to people on an outbound basis that are not your customers is a very expensive way to market. It does work, but you're not going to be nearly as happy with the results. That's why you want to market to your own customers first. Okay, I hope that helps. We have now transitioned from the phone ringing because people are looking for you into now you have to start looking for them. You got to get your message out to them, and that's the only way this is going to work. Okay, you can't sit around. It's time for you to spend some time on this. All right, I hope this helps. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Now, if this is the kind of content you like, please do me a big favor and click that like button below and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps out the algorithm and it helps get this video out to more and more shop owners that are looking to improve their business. And if you are looking for additional help to help your business succeed, go down in the description below. You'll find a few links for some helpful resources. Thanks for watching.